Hello students. In this video I would like to address a concern that has come up by some students and even some parents, and that is regarding one of the questions in the quizzes. In fact, in every quiz we have chosen to include a question about whether you study the lesson materials carefully. And the correct, it's a yes or no question. In my courses, the lesson is the question is a little different. Is did you study the lesson, watch the videos, read the links, learn the concepts, and ponder the gospel principles for the lesson? And the correct answer is yes, I could teach this lesson to others. So some have expressed concern saying, is that a fair question? Because if the student answers truthfully and they say no, they haven't studied the lesson, or they don't feel comfortable studying it, and teaching it to others, they get penalized. Well, this is not penalizing anyone, okay? And we are certainly not encouraging you to be dishonest about your answer. By all means, just answer truthfully. We want to understand if you are actually studying the lesson, if you are actually studying the lesson correctly, and you are ready to participate in the class. That is the behavior that I reward with a point, okay? Other behavior, if you are not studying the lesson totally, or something like that, well, I appreciate the honesty, and honesty is something, of course, that is expected, but I just don't reward you with a point for that, okay? No big deal. I am not encouraging you to be dishonest by any means. I just want to assess what is it that you are doing in preparation for the class. Let me give you an example. This is something that happens in my house almost every Saturday. Okay, you may have some similar experience that you can relate. Do you have chores? Do your parents assign you chores? Well, my wife has chores for each one of the children, okay, especially the Saturday chores. And invariably, when Saturday noon, Saturday afternoon comes along, the children ask, "Can I go out and play?" Invariably, my wife asks the question, "Did you finish your chores?" Okay, if they answer truthfully, and of course that honesty is expected, okay, if they answer truthfully and I say no, then the answer is to the first question is no, you cannot go out and play. Go and finish your chores. If they answer yes, okay, the next question my wife always asks is, did you do them correctly? Are they all really completely done? And many times my wife has to go and verify that the chores are indeed correctly done. If they are not correctly done, if they are not completely done, if they are not done to a certain level of cleanliness standard, and so on, they don't get rewarded with going out and play, even if they answer truthfully, okay? So that is the same thing. The reward of going out and play is when the chores are done, when they are done correctly, now you may go out and play. So this is the same thing of what we are trying and expecting for you to do in preparation for the class. Study the lesson. Answer truthfully, of course, okay? That is a given, all right? And we will reward the teachers, we will reward you with a point for the right behavior, okay? The correct behavior. I hope that this explains how to answer this question and what to do to get that point. Thank you.